What's going on, guys? Real Touch Gmail here, back with another Game Maker tutorial, and this tutorial is not centered on one specific thing like my other tutorials. Well, I mean it is, but this tutorial is how to make your code in Game Maker more efficient than it is now, or at least if you're watching this tutorial, hopefully it is more efficient than what you are doing now. So let's go right into it. So if I went ahead and ran the game here, I just made an object and a blue sprite, and I put the same object in the room, right? One here and one there. And of course you've done this before, but what if I said I wanted the one on the left to go up, but I wanted the one on the right to go down? And you could easily say, well, you just make two objects, one on the left, one on the right. One is programmed to go up and one is programmed to go down. But what if I said I wanted it to be one goes up, one goes down in one object? And this is where it comes into the efficiency. And 3-4 years ago, I could tell you I have no idea. But what we're going to be using is creation code, and it is very efficient because I would find myself making like 30 objects of menus, like menu buttons, when I only needed one, and it's through creation code. So if we went ahead and opened up this OBJ block here, it's just generic, and I went into the create event, and I went to the code here, and I said if index equals 1, vspeed equals -5, else if index equals 2, vspeed equals 5. So now you might be saying to yourself, okay, this makes sense. The vspeed makes sense, but there is no index variable. And usually you would just, make your variable up here, index equals 1, we'll say. Well, obviously our box would go up because index does equal 1. It does not equal 2. But you can't really do that because we want the same object to go in the same way. So how do we do this? Well, again, it's creation code. So if we go into our room here and we right click on, say, our left one here, and we hit creation code. Now I believe that on other versions of Game Maker you have to shift and click, but for HTML you just right click, go to creation code, and I could say index equals 1. And now if I right click the creation code for the right one, I could say index equals 2. Right? So now if we played it, the left one should go up, and the right one goes down. And that is because we are creating this variable in the room. So exactly when it starts, it's getting this variable right here, and it's setting that one to 1 and setting that one to 2. And obviously in here we have it, if it equals 2, go down. If it equals 1, go up. So I mean, you could easily, if you want them to both to go down, you could right click creation code here and set this to 2. So now they're both equal to 2 and they would both go down. Now this could be useful for so many things, like for example my menus thing that I had. Well, if in the draw event I could just put down, like, here, we can do that real quick actually. Draw text X, Y, and then we could have the string called string. Oh, that's actually already string with a capital. Actually, we need to do plus string. And we go to the creation code here. We say string equals test1, and string equals test2. So now if you went ahead and played it, test 1, test 2, they're both going down. So I mean, there's just endless possibilities here. So go and leave a like, go and subscribe. I will be uploading another tutorial later on that has stuff to do with this, so go ahead and check out the description for that. If not, if there's nothing in there, that means I haven't made the tutorial yet. So go and leave a like, go and subscribe. I will see you sexy legends next time. Peace.